Can a drawing escape where it is going? When it begins, when one is circling the studio, everything is possible. There is a new sheet of paper. All the energy is waiting in one's arm, ready to make the decision. But as it lands, as it gets ready to land, all that potential gets limited, gets coalesced, and it becomes a coffee pot. Launched again, a new sheet of paper, new possibilities. And while the shards are in the air, it's possible for anything to arrive. But what comes? Another coffee pot. There's the question of, can we be better than we are? Can we be other than we are? There's the hope for something new to arrive, that this time there will be something different. But what comes? A typewriter. Trying for something new, and what will happen? Can we stop the reduction of all potentiality? And in the end, we are reduced to making ourselves as a self-portrait as a rhinoceros, a self-portrait as a typewriter, a self-portrait as a coffee pot, a self-portrait as a megaphone. All that we wish we could be.
I suppose the first promptings to work as an artist are still there. The questions haven't changed. How does one find a way of not necessarily illustrating the society that one lives in, but allowing what happens there to be part of the work, part of the vocabulary, part of the raw material that is dealt with? South Africa is very much part of the work.
Las formas planas son elementos visuales que se utilizan para crear imágenes. Las formas planas más sencillas son el triángulo, el círculo y el cuadrado. Una forma plana es una forma en dos dimensiones, con color, textura y tonos homogéneos. A menudo, las formas planas son utilizadas por artistas y diseñadores para sus obras y trabajos. Desde el punto de vista geométrico, el plano es una superficie bidimensional limitada. Desde el punto de vista gráfico, el plano puede ser definido como una superficie perfectamente delimitada, que al igual que los otros elementos formales, constituye un recurso expresivo del lenguaje plástico. Los diferentes tipos de planos se pueden clasificar en geométricos, construidos matemáticamente, orgánicos, rodeados de curvas libres que sugieren fluidez y desarrollo, rectilíneos, limitados por líneas rectas que no están relacionadas matemáticamente, irregulares, con uniones de rectas y curvas, manuscritos, hechos caligráficamente o a mano alzada, y accidentales, determinados por el efecto de procesos o materiales especiales u obtenidos accidentalmente.
When I was 3 years old, I wanted to be an elephant. I failed at that, so I was reduced to being an artist.
The studio is both a physical place and a metaphoric space. It's a place of making and of making meaning.
I prefer the solitary act of drawing. I prefer the companionship of collaborators. One of the hard things to realize is the edge of who one is, of what your imagination can produce. This is the job of the studio, to turn that which is invisible into something visible. So you start thinking you'll do a picture of the whole universe, but you end up with a coffee pot.